As a software analyst lead, I lead a team specializing in Syspro ERP software. My team supports various functionalities from accounting, distribution, in addition to customization, .NET Business Objects, automation, crystal reporting, last but not least, report scheduling. Admiration is what I most often receive, and usually from men, because software development is male-dominated. We all can play a part in supporting embracing equity by being unbiased, open-minded, listen for context, seek to know others, and build solid relationships.